In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews on Wix quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to build trust with your customers or simply want to showcase customer feedback, adding reviews is a powerful tool for your Wix site. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard. You can do this by going to the Wix website and signing in with your account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main page, you'll see an overview of your site's performance and other useful insights. Now, to start integrating reviews into your site, we'll need to access Wix's App Market. Look on the left-hand sidebar for an option labeled Apps and give it a click. This will lead you to your installed apps and any other app management tools you might need. What we're focusing on today is how to get new apps. So, in this section, you'll see a button labeled Get More Apps. Click that, and it will take you to the Wix App Market, a treasure trove of applications designed to enhance your website's functionality. Now that you're in the App Market, you'll want to utilize the search bar to find exactly what you're looking for. Type in Product Review to narrow down your options to those apps specifically designed for adding reviews. The search results will display several options, but for this tutorial, we're going to select the app explicitly titled Product Reviews. Click on this option to proceed. Once you've clicked on Product Reviews, you'll be directed to a page with more detailed information about the app, including features and user reviews. It's always a good idea to read through this information so you know what to expect and can take full advantage of the app's capabilities. Now, when you're ready, look for the button that says Add to Site and click it. This next step is very important. You'll see a prompt asking you to agree to the app's terms and conditions before adding it to your site. Click on Agree and Add to finalize the installation process. Once completed, the app is successfully installed on your Wix site, allowing you to start collecting and displaying customer reviews almost immediately. You just learned how to add reviews to your Wix site with ease. This addition can help build credibility and enhance the interaction between you and your visitors by showcasing authentic feedback. Thanks for following along, and be sure to explore other features in Wix that can further improve your website. Happy building!